Welcome to UserAndI, the channel where I explore all things UX and UI design, and today we're back with another Figma tip. We're going to be exploring padding. So here's our shape. What I've done is that I've given us a white background and we've got a red circle, and I've chosen this layout so I can clearly demonstrate the effects of padding. So if let's rename this to circle, and we can rename this to background just so it's clearer to see. So if we click on our circle, and on the new Figma we've got what's called vertical padding and we've got horizontal padding. Now if we bump these up, we can see that it changes the spaces on either side, hence the two lines, and we can see that if we bump this up, it changes the padding bottom and top, hence the lines above and below. Like typical Figma, we can also change the padding by clicking and dragging over this area, over the icon here, and we can do the same. Something new that's been added is that we can now affect the padding by doing this, and this allows us to do it with one of the edges instead of all of them at one time. Now the way to do this is, if you hover over your areas, it will highlight pink, and that allows you to start dragging in and out to change the padding, and you can even see that the size is reflected on each one. Now what's also happened here is that we can see that we have two values now. One with this first one is the left and this second one is the right, and you can see if I start moving that, it changes the padding. Or if you want to do it from this panel but change each one, well, we've got this new icon here that's called independent paddings, and if you pop that open, we can basically do the same thing. We see top, left, right, we see top, left, we see top, bottom, right and left, and we can pretty much do the same thing. Now we can still change them at the same time by closing that, and then this is me holding shift and going down by 1, and it will decrement by 10, and if we go up, it will increment by 10. We can do the same here, decrement and increment by 10 if we hold shift and press the down and up arrows. And that's pretty much it for padding in Figma. Let me know how you get on, and let me know what else you want to see in the comments below.